gonna tell me? Hello everyone! Welcome back to Tuesday Talks with Tabitha. I've got a really quick tip for you this week. It's going to be really simple and quick. I have bought a ceiling fan brush. I know that you can get these I bought this one at Lowe's, and it's $14.99, and it's the best thing you can buy yourself. It's got these really nice little bristly brushes right here. It's pretty soft, and it's got a little loop right here. And what you do with this, well, hang on, I want to show you too. It's got an extension on it. For all of you ladies that have these really tall ceilings, this is an amazing product. I really like it because I have tall ceiling fans too, and you can get up there and you just close it. So see, it locks it so it won't do that. Okay, what this is for is you put it on your ceiling fan. Can you get that, Grace? Mm-hmm. You put it on your ceiling fan just like this, and it sweeps all that dead, nasty stuff, whatever it's on there. I really don't even know what it is. It's all that nasty stuff off your ceiling fans. I absolutely love this, guys. It really does work. Another thing I've noticed, it doesn't just clean things like that. You can go around these things and it gets all the dust off of it. And I think the bristles are kind of just really bristly, and it gets all that dust right off of it for you. So I always like to try everything before I tell you guys, does it work? Is it a good? Is it a bad? This is a must. If you don't have this, this is a great buy for $14.99. Another thing that I've noticed that I love to work with it is places like above here, like on your arm walls and things like that. You can get lots of dust bunnies with it, and it's such a great tool for that. So not just using it for your fan, it's great for all different areas. Like big tall places like up here on your ceilings, or like your mantelpiece, or any place like that. It's a great tool. And I love that it has an extension for it. So that's my Tuesday Talk with Tabitha. You need to go get you a ceiling fan brush. It's worth it, $14.99. I think this one's at Lowe's. You can get them at Nards and Home Depot. So have a wonderful day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.